Okay, today we're going to get into a little tool review. Not for nothing, today is Sunday. I'm putting this up a little late. Got a little visit from the snap-on guy. You know, Fridays is always snap-on Fridays when the tool truck comes around. So this is a new item that was added onto the collection, given to me by my snap-on guy. A set like this, I would prefer, if you're looking to get a set like this, because there's a 3/8 multi-position offset 3/8 ratchet that comes in a kit, and then you have a 3/8 metric socket set. So we're going to get over here to the product so that you can see what's going on. This is one of the new versions, the FDX, and the part number is 212YFSMSYF80. And to give you a good look, that's the 3/8 multi-position ratchet, standard handle. Then you have the metric flank drive, extra semi-deep socket set that runs from 8 to 19 millimeter. Getting a set like this, if you were getting the ratchet and getting the sockets separate, this set right here can run you within the range of the 400 mark or a little bit over $400. This ratchet alone goes on eBay and Amazon for maybe about 200 and some change. So as you can see, it has its locking mechanism here, and it can swivel, I believe, 160, 360 degrees, and it locks in all angles to get in enclosed areas. It's nice, long, durable. Then you have your 3/8 set, which comes in its magnet tray. So these are 3/8 metric. Give you another look at the product. The ratchet head includes at 16 positions across 240 degrees for better access to fasteners around blind corners. Pull ratcheting function for fast bolt tightening or loosening in constraint work areas. 360-degree speeder crank rotation for fast bolt removal. So as you get a good look at the product, and this is what you would get in the set. Like I said, buying these pieces individually, you will be looking at roughly about $400, but if you get them together, I think I paid $270 for the set. Okay, so this is your US General 5-drawer tool cart and 4-drawer US General tool cart with side trays, deep compartments, as you can see. Okay, peace.